Custom XS750 motorcycle. To be candid, we're not gonna pretend we know anything like custom bike. Nevertheless, that doesn't mean we can't enjoy the beauty that these two-wheelers embody. Take for instance this custom Yamaha XS750. It mixture of parts, most from Yamaha, but you'd be none the wiser looking at it. Check the full story at the source link for more details, but you should know you can't buy this motorcycle, unless of course you order one from the shop that created it. And even then you'll probably end up with something different. Which, trust us, ain't a bad thing.